Hello friends, today we are going to see the model question paper of class 8. So let's start with that. So our first section A is having 1 mark each. So the first question says that the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Okay. Now what do you mean by reciprocal? You just write 1 upon that number, or you just reverse that number. So minus 1, the reciprocal of minus 1 will be what? 1 upon minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1. The reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is going to be 2 upon 1. The reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2, and the reciprocal of 1 will be 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1 itself. So here we don't have any option. So what is the answer? So which number does not have a reciprocal? So the answer is 0, because 1 upon 0 does not exist. We cannot say that I got 1 mark out of 0, right? So 0 is the number, rational number, which does not have a reciprocal. Next question is, Riya's present age is 2x. After 5 years, she will be how many years old, right? Now let's say you are how many years old now? You are 13 years old. After 5 years, how many years old you will be? 13 plus 5, right? So same concept goes here. If Riya's present age is 2x, after 5 years, she will be 2x plus 5 years old. Okay. Next question. A regular polygon having 4 sides. Now when you come with the polygon having a 4 side, quadrilateral, rhombus, square, rectangle, all of them have a 4 side. So how to differentiate? So you have to read question carefully. Here they have used the word regular. What do you mean by regular? Regular means all sides are same. Okay, so only square will fit into that criteria. So square is a polygon, regular polygon having a 4 sides. Now next question is the class size of the class interval. Now in the class interval you have a lower limit and the upper limit. So you need a class size. So what will be the class size over here? Upper limit minus lower limit. So 50 minus 30 is going to give you 20. So your answer is 20. Next, you have x square is equal to 16. So what will be x? So you have to take the square root. So when you take the square root, the square root of a 16 will be plus or minus 4. And the option they have given over here is 4. So we'll mark that. Now, the digit in one place of a cube of a number 83. Now this is slightly interesting question. Yeah. So what you are going to do is you are going to multiply 83 3 times, right? 83 times 83 times 83. Right. Now how you can do is either you go on multiplying or you use some shortcut. So 83 times 83, when you multiply it at one's place you need, right? So at one's place you are going to get 9. And whatever is the number ahead, right? And here again you will get, so you're going to get 9 at the ones place. Again when you multiply whatever number you have got, okay, that dash at unit place it is 9. Again when you multiply with 83, 3 9s are 27. So 7 goes here and 2 goes on the top, right? So right now I am not interested in the rest of the number. I am just interested in the unit place. So the unit place is going to have 7. So here I am not solving the question as it is only 1 mark and they have given you the option. So I am doing this a shortcut way. Alright. There are multiple ways of dealing with this question. One of the way I have used here, which I have just clicked right now. Now the ratio of 3:5 is how many percent? Now when it's come to the percent, 3:5 can be written as 3/5 like this. Now percent means you have to deal with the 100. So 5 times which number will give me 100? 20. So if I'm multiplying 20 in the denominator, I have to multiply in the numerator as well. So 3 times 20 is going to be 60 upon 100. So this is going to be 60%. Yes. Now the next question is, which of the following is a perfect square? Now for this question also we have a multiple ways of doing it. Okay. So directly also you can do the guesswork, or you can actually go for factorization. So let's see. I'll go actually factorization. So you have a number here 459. Okay, so how do you start over here is, let's say now 9 is here, so I can this number is divisible by 3, so 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15, and 3 threes are 9. Then again 3 fives are 15, 3 ones are 3. Yes, again 3 ones are 3, 2 goes, and then 3 sevens are 21. So here if you see, I have got the factor as in a pair, one pair of 3 only I have got, and another 3 and 17. So obviously this is not an answer. This won't work. Let's try with the next number. So we have a 784 here. Let's try if this works. Okay. So you have to be very quick because here you are going actually for the method. So 2 threes are 6, right? 1 goes as a remainder, then 1 over here, 8, 1 and 8, 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4. Then again 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 2 sixes are 12. Yes, again 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16. Again 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18. Yes, it's long, but you have to be a little quick in the factorization. 7 sevens are 49. So you see here I am getting a pair of 2's, right? So I have got all number as a pair. Okay, so here this is a perfect square because all the factors which I have got, that are what? That are the in a pair. So this is a perfect square. Charger. The measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon. Next question. The measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon with 12 sides is. So regular polygon, when you see with the 12 sides, right? So we have the formula, that is n minus 2 times 180, right? So now here they have given 12, so this will be the sum of the angles, right? And if you want the each interior angle, you have to divide by 12. All right. So what is the value of n we have? This is the regular polygon with the 12 sides, right? This is a regular polygon with the 12 sides. So here we have, you have to just plug in the values. Can you do this question quickly without my help? Just try if you are getting the answer. Yes, so you put n as 12 and get the answer. It is just the substituting and finding out the values. If you can try. So this is going to be 12, yes, minus 2, that will be 10 times 180 divided by 12. So over here we have 10 times 180 divided by 12. So 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 0 here, 2 1s are, 2 5s are 10, and 3 5s are 15. So the answer is 150. I hope everyone has got the answer. Yeah. So you have to use this formula, that is n minus 2 times 180. This is the sum of the angles, and then since it is a 12-sided, you have to divide by 12. It is whatever sides they have given, you have to divide by that. All right. So n value they have mentioned, so we are dividing by n here. So over here now the next one is the product of 2 over 3, okay, the product of 2 over 3 and the multiplicative inverse. So what will be the multiplicative inverse of negative 5 over 3? That will be 3 over negative 5. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So what will remain? 2 upon negative 5, which is same as negative 2 upon 5. All right. Okay. We'll go to the next question. The next question is, write all perfect cubes between 1 to 50. Now what are the perfect cubes between 1 to 50 we have? So if we start with the number 1, the 1 cube is going to be 1, but we want between 1 to 50. So this we won't consider. Okay. Next is 2. 2 cube is going to be, what do you mean by cube? You are multiplying that number 3 times. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Yes. Then we have 3 cube. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Then we have a next number as 4 cube. So 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. Now see, the question is over here, you want between 1 to 50. So only answer will be 8 and 27. So your answer is 8, 27. Because they want between 1 to 50. 1 and 64 are not sitting in that range. Okay. We'll go to the next one. I hope you have got this. Yeah. Find the smallest number by which 56 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. Okay, so we'll have a factors of 56. You can go for a vertical division or you can go for a horizontal. So last time we did a vertical, we'll go for a horizontal now. So 56 is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. Yes. Then again further 28 can be divided as 14 2s are. Yes. Then again you have 14 can be written as 2 7s are. So now since they have asked for the cube, okay, they have asked for the cube, you need a pair of 3. So here's 2 you have as a pair of 3, but 7 is an extra number here, right? 7 is an extra number. So which number? So if I divide this number by 7, I will get a perfect cube. So the smallest number by which 56 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube is 7. Okay? Because that is not in a like a form of, like, that is an extra term over here that has not appeared 3 times. So we will divide by that number. Next one, in a class of 60, so there are 60 students in a class, what they are saying, 40% have Marathi as their mother tongue. So these are the students which have Marathi as their mother tongue. Find the number of students whose mother tongue is not Marathi. So that can be English, or it can be Konkani, or it can be anything but not Marathi. So if 40% have Marathi, so what will be the remaining one? Remaining will be 60, right? 100 minus 40 is what? 60. If you want, I'll write it over here. So 100 minus 40 is going to give you what? 60. That means 60% of the students does not have Marathi as a mother tongue, right? So find the number of students. This is a percentage. Now if you want to find out the number of students, okay, so the students whose mother tongue is not Marathi, mother tongue is not Marathi, is what? You are going to have 60%, like 60 over 100 of 60. So this 0 will get cancelled, this 0 is getting cancelled, 6 6 are 36. Yes. Now the next question is, solve 7x is equal to 2x minus 30. So what you do here, 7x minus 2x, which is equal to 30. 7 minus 2 is going to be 5x, which is equal to 30. Now 5 is multiplied. If you want to get rid of that, you have to divide. So 30 divided by 5. So x is going to be 5 6 30. Alright. I hope you have got this. So we'll continue our next question in our next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt in a particular question, you can comment on it. Okay. Or just let me know how did you like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.